Hey y'all, so I'm jumping straight into this video because clearly I decided to wait until I was done with my hair almost to start recording. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the rose oil, multi-purpose oil, and I'm going to apply it all over my hair strands. The Forget Me Not one is my favorite one, but I was running out and I didn't want to use it on this. So I decided to use the rose. And I just apply that all over my hair strands, and then I part it and I, pin the rest of the hair back so that I can get into this. Now I took the easy route because this is my very first time doing passion twists, and I wanted to make sure that this style was gonna last all month long. I definitely did not need to waste time trying to figure out which version of this was gonna work best for me, but I decided to go in with this African Pride Hold Gel. And I never put it on my scalp. I never put any product on my scalp because the moment I put it on my scalp started itching. So I put it like an inch away from my scalp, and then I just use my Denman brush to like brush it through. And then it'll lightly coat, my roots or whatever. And then I go in with 2 rubber bands. And around my edges, I always leave the rubber bands a bit looser so they don't, pull out my edges. So, and my hair is thick enough that it'll hold. It just needs something there to say, like, this is as far as you go. And it'll stay right there. So it's fine. Trust me, I'm fine. And I take my crochet needle. And for the hair itself, I use 2 full strands that are folded in half. So it looks like 4. Hello, math. And so I pull those through. And I go back in with my African Pride holding gel. And you'll see as I'm twisting, I add it to my hair to help blend my hair with the twisting hair. And so that it doesn't stick out or anything, because I have a natural frizzy looking texture, especially because when I blew my hair out, it is not straight. I did not make it straight. I didn't want it to be straight. I just wanted it to be stretched. And I blew it out the day before, and where I live is extra humid. So I blew my hair out, started twisting it, blah, 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 whatever else I said. And I will twist all the way down the line. And you'll see me going with a Denman brush for the rest of the twists, where I brush the hair together to, merge everything together, make sure everything's smooth, go all the way down to the ends. I'll even put some of the African Pride holding gel on the ends of the twisty hair and twist it all together so that the hair doesn't break apart. And you'll also see that I put my jewelry on as I'm going, instead of waiting until, the whole head's done and then putting the jewelry on. I was just trying to get this over and done with. I just need to make sure that this hairstyle would last all month. So I definitely didn't have time to try to figure out or test which method of passion twist worked best for me, because some people braid first and then they twist. Some people use the rubber band method, then they have versions without the rubber band method. And I'm like, listen, the way my hair is set up, I need it to last for a month. So, and the reason that I need it to last for a month is not like it has to. It's just that I'm currently doing for this year, a protective style a month. I hardly ever wear protective styles anyways, so I'm going to be doing it once a month. And so far, my hair has been loving it. I will never show y'all the chunks of hair that I cut out of my head. I'm just going to regrow it out in the dark, and we're just going to all move on and live our best lives. So I left the rest of this video in, so that y'all can see me do these last 2 twists, and you'll see that I repeat the same steps over and over and over again, minus the oil, since I oiled all of the hair at the very beginning. And then you'll see me towards the end go in with this African Pride oil for my scalp, and it's an oil that you use daily, and I still use it daily. It's actually been super helpful, especially because I am not tender-headed except for right at the top of my head, and my scalp has not been itching. It keeps my hands out of my scalp, but it also keeps my scalp from getting dry, and it makes the style last longer, and it looks still very well, and I've had this style in for a few weeks. Sorry I'm late uploading this video. I was lazy, y'all. So anywho's, I'm just gonna let y'all enjoy the rest of this video, and then it's gonna be what it be. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, follow my TikTok because I'm on TikTok now. Barely, but I do show up there every now and again. And look for my YouTube shorts because I have some of those as well. And please let me know what else you would like to see from me in the future down in the comment section below. Don't ask me if you can leave me a comment. Just leave the comment and move on. I don't have time for the other stuff. Okay, cool, great. Enjoy.